it's just a bad set, right?
Hi everybody, we're here at John Sadler's Auto Repair, and we have a 2008 Honda Odyssey, and the customer was concerned was that the rear lift gate, when it went up and down, you know, it wouldn't stay up. And so I found two different sizes on there. One's a little smaller diameter, and this has 08 on it, 2008. So this is the original one that came with it. So someone had changed one side. So I called my parts distributor, and he said, oh, we have a good brand. We have this brand is, make sure you can see it here. It's called VSV Lift Support. And I put these on, and the way this is supposed to function is it's obviously it's holding the vehicle up, but as you start to bring it down, it'll keep it in that one spot, you know. And then usually when you have a good lift support that's working properly, as you start to lift it up a little bit, like from here, it should go on its own. It should push all the way to the top on its own and stay there and stay up there like with authority, not like it's like you're scared it's gonna, because this is super heavy, this thing's gonna fall on you. So I'm always talking about using factory parts, and I always do. And then every now and then a company will come and tell me, oh, Sadler, we got a good part for you. These parts are just like factory, and it's the same size diameter that looks like a good part, but when you put it on the vehicle, it doesn't perform like a good part. So I called my local Honda dealer. They'll be in tomorrow morning. I'll leave these ones on the customer's car or van overnight, and then tomorrow when I get the other ones in, I'll have them come back. And that's the worst thing about the whole customer experience thing is when they have to come back, no matter how great you are, you just totally blown it. And the auto parts distributors, oh yeah, we'll get you another one tomorrow or next week or whatever. They don't seem to have that much enthusiasm about taking care of the problem today. And I get it, they deal with a lot of people who spend a lot more money than me, but it just leaves a sour taste with me. And that's why I'm kind of putting this VSV company, the part looks like a good quality part, the part doesn't perform very well at all. So my ruling on things like this, after seeing this happen to me today, and it's happened a few other times over the years, is to just buy them from the dealer. You're gonna pay $40, $50 a piece more for them, but you're gonna get something that's gonna last. The one last, this is 2008. So it's just it's a lot higher quality product. I don't have to worry about this thing coming down and hurting the customer, because that's what happened before when the other one failed. They started banging them in the head and hurting them. And so I'm going to leave these on now, so at least when he brings it all the way up, it'll stay there. And I told him not to even trust that, but at least that way it's better than what I took off, but not by much. So I just want to give a little feedback there. When you have a vehicle like this, or any kind of a vehicle where something's heavier, don't use an aftermarket part on it. No matter what they say, no matter all the sales pitches they give you, it doesn't hold up. It's an embarrassment to me as an auto mechanic to put some quality part like this in someone's car, and that's why I'm making the video, to forewarn everyone else. If you see this VSV lift support company, to please stay away from them. And my ruling, like I said, is just use the Honda dealer for things like this. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day.